a cheesy microwave trend tutorial, but can't find one? Then you're at the right place. Let's start the tutorial. Preview.
Who are you?
No one seems to grab the concept of the mat.
Import your clips. Got to speed, custom, and set it as shown. And apply this with all the clips. Add a keyframe at the beginning and end of clip. Click on the ending keyframe and go to Basic. Increase it by 70 or 80 and apply this with all the clips. Duplicate the video and reverse the clip that you duplicate. Effects shake. Speed 14, intensity 10. And apply this with all the clips. Animations, swing bottom, set it to 0.2. Add a white overlay. Animations fade out. Splice overlay. Go to opacity and set it to 70. And apply this with all the clips. Effects, Black Flash 2. Speed, 100, intensity, 10 size, 10 twist, 15. Effects play pendulum. Intensity, 52, twist, 15 speed, 20, sharpen, 70. And you're done!